Berry Bees here. Today is November 29th, and I'm checking my apiaries for I do a little bit of inspection to see, because we have some windy condition. I want to be sure all the beehives are in good order and there's nothing really bad happening there. Everything is tied up to the stands. Ratcheting down to the stands. Beehives are grouped together, and there is a wind barrier in the back, and also this over the beehives, so the rain will not do any damages. And also today we're gonna check the entrances and bottom boards to see that generally if there is any dead bees after our first frost. We need to check to be sure the bees are not constrained in, and checking the bottom boards. I have this very specific tools made up from the hanger to remove any dead bees with any of these ends. So just generally put them in and see if there's any dead bees. But looks like the bees are doing a pretty good job. I didn't see anything that concerned me. No dead bees. There's a couple dead bees here, but they removed them, so there's no. So I did this and checked all the entrances, and everything looks good. So generally, that's what we need to do. On this particular apiary, last year I put a wind barrier, but I'm not sure if that was necessary. So right now, everything looks good.